Welcome back everyone to another daily opening on the Poke Garden channel. Today I'll be opening up 3 more packs of a Plasma Freeze booster box. Did have some wonderful pulls yesterday, so make sure you check out that video if you didn't miss it. Hoping the pulls continue being wonderful. And I'm hoping to get some reverses that I still need for my collection. Here's your mask, Litwick, Primate, Chinchou, Weedle, Plasma Energy, Mawile, Metang, Nidoran Female, which is number 40, and that one I do have as well, so that will be up for trade. That will bode in well for my reverse collection, and a Sableye. Next pack. Maybe I should try to open this one nicely. I do still need to save 3 packs of each. That looks pretty good. Or 1 pack of each. I don't know why I said 3 of each. Sneasel, Makuhita, Eevee, Starly, Nidoran Male, Vaporeon, Lantern, Nidorina, a reverse Yamask 54, and I do have that one too, and a Nidoking rare. Man, oh man, so many duplicate reverses. And still 1 more pack to go. That one's not going to open nicely. Here we have Starly, Dratini, Nidoran Male, Rattata, Sandile, Jolteon, Miltank, Lantern, a reverse Staravia, number 96, and I do have that one too, and a Vanillix. So, all of the reverses that I pulled today will also be up for trade. And that would be those 3 there. And also 3 rares. And only pulled 1 energy, Plasma Energy today. So, hope you guys enjoyed this opening. Make sure you subscribe, stay tuned, and we'll have 3 more packs to open for you tomorrow.